All right, so the next part here, we're looking at introduction to descriptive statistic, which is the mean, median, and mode. Now, why do you need this now? When you start your dashboard composition, you would need this information because you would have to find the average, the mean, and all of those. And also, when you progress to data science, you would also need things like the standard deviations and more. All right, so that's why I'm taking my time to explain this. So I would like you, I don't want to bore you with all of this. I'd like you to look this up, look out for what mean is, what median is, what mode is, what standard deviation is. Yeah, they are simple, so don't be scared. For those of you that don't like mathematics, this is very simple. So what mean simply is mean is the addition of the numbers divided by the number you have. For instance, I have I have 5 numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so what I need to do is to add these 5 numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, divided by 5, because there are 5 numbers. That's very simple. Or let's say I have 3 numbers, which let's say I have 2, 4, 6. All I need to do is to add up these 2, 4, 6 divided by how many numbers are here? 3. So that's simply what mean is, otherwise known as your average. So that's mean. It's very simple. So the next one is median. What's median? Median simply is the middle number after you've arranged the numbers in a descending or ascending order. Descending means from biggest to smallest, 5, 3, 2, 1. While ascending means from smallest to biggest, 2, 4, 8, 10. See, it's increasing. So that's what I call ascending order. So that's simply what median is. Median, after you arrange these numbers, let's say for instance, the numbers we have here, 5, 3, 4, 2, 1. So I need to arrange it for this method here. We use the ascending order, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So when I have this number arranged this way, if I cancel out 1 cancel, 5 cancel, 2 cancel, 4 cancel, the middle number here is 3. So our median is 3. So that's how simple this thing is. So for the next one, which is the mode. Mode simply means the one that occurs most. All right. So for these numbers we have here 1, 3, 4, 6, 6, 7, 8. Luckily for us, it's already arranged. So by looking at this now, the mode here, the one that occurs most here is 6, because 6 appeared 2 times, whereas the others appeared just once. So that means 6 is our mode, the most occurred or the most common. For these numbers here, the mean here is, there are how many numbers here? 7 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I'm going to add 1 plus 3 plus 4 plus 6 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8. That will give us 35. So 35 now divided by 7, that will give us 5. That's how we got our mean. Our median, the middle number is 6. So cancel out this 3 here, cancel out this 3 here. I will have 6. So that's our middle number. So range here, I didn't tell you about range. Range simply is the highest number minus the lowest number. What's the highest number here? 8. And what's the lowest number here? 1. So 8 minus 1 will give us 7. Okay, so this is just the overview. I think this is just the basic information you need. Yes, this can be everything, of course. It can be everything. I'm just giving you the information I think are necessary to build you up, to push you forward to the next step. Okay, so these are the overview of the things I think are necessary for you to know as a data analyst. Now, having known this overview, I haven't gotten this overview, I haven't known everything I've explained here so far, we are going to move to the next thing, which is Power BI. Yes, I'm starting with Power BI. I should have started with Excel because I think that's the simplest. But I'm starting with, it's not the simplest, yeah. But then I think it's better to start with Excel. But I'm going to start with Power BI. Yes, they're all different tools. I'm starting with Power BI because in a week time or two, I'll be having a physical class where I'll be teaching some students data analysis, and I'm teaching them Power BI. So I want to use this means also to teach you guys Power BI before we move on to the next one. It's going to be interesting. Power BI is a visualization tool. It helps you visualize using all kinds of graph, the column graph, the pie charts, the bar charts, and all of that. So you visualize this tool. Power BI helps us. I think it's my best. All right. So I love Power BI more than the others. Yes. So I'm going to explain. I'm going to be teaching you Power BI in the next class. You don't want to miss this, guys. So I'm looking forward to seeing you in our next class. So ladies and gentlemen, drink water and no, hold up. Drink water and mind your business. Cheers, guys.